Hi there, I'm Shahi and welcome to Shahi's Easy English. Today I have a special guest, uh, somebody very familiar to me. So her name is Kat. So hi Kat, how's it going? I'm Kat and today we will be looking at questions you should ask and questions you should avoid when having a conversation with somebody you just met for the first time, maybe online or even in real life. I don't usually like personal questions about my family or my life from somebody I just met online or in real life. So Shahi is going to tell us what kind of questions we should ask and what kind of questions we should avoid. So over to you, Shahi. Thanks, Kat. So if you are asking personal questions, some of them might be okay to ask, and some of them might be just natural to ask in a conversation, but don't force the person to answer them. Don't make them feel uncomfortable. And here are some of the questions you definitely shouldn't be asking. How tall are you? How short are you? How much do you weigh? What's that got to do with anything? Does your mum work? Does your dad work? What does your mum do? What does your dad do? What do you do? How much do you get paid? What's that got to do with anybody? How much you get paid if you work, if you don't work? Can you send me a picture of yourself? So that would just make somebody feel uncomfortable, right? The whole point of us having a conversation is so we can practice our English. And these questions may make somebody feel uncomfortable. We don't want anybody to feel uncomfortable. We want them to feel comfortable so they would want or they will want to talk to us in the future, right? I don't like it when they ask me, where are you from? On a language application. It already tells you, and there is a flag. So I think this is not a really smart question. What do you think? Okay, so what do you do if somebody does ask you these weird questions? Okay, you can say as a joke, you can say, I'm not allowed to tell you. And then you can also say as a joke and you say, oh, it's a secret. I might tell you later. See how they respond. And if they respond in a negative manner, you don't really want to be talking to people like that, do you? You want to talk to somebody who respects your privacy. You can say, I need to go now. Or you can say, I don't answer personal questions. You can always say the word rude. If you're typing, you can just type R-U-D-E, rude. Many times native speakers say that. They don't say a whole sentence saying, I think that was rude. They just say rude. Okay, and someone might say sorry. You can say, are you writing an essay about me? Are you writing my biography? So these are just silly comments to make the person realize that you don't like personal questions. And you can also say these questions or your questions are not plausible and I must go now. You just leave, okay, and don't talk to that person and ignore them, because if they can't respect you, then there's no point talking to somebody like that, is there? So Kat and I will demonstrate some conversations which will help you with your English. So Kat, how's your day been so far? Or we can even say, how's your week been so far? Thank you, Shahi. Those are lovely questions. They are not personal questions, so I will answer them. Actually, my week has been absolutely wonderful. Or we can say my week hasn't been that good. or my week has been busy. So far, so good. What does that mean? It means until now, it is good. And also say it's been a busy day, or it's been a busy week, or it's been a very busy week at work. Because you know, sometimes at work it gets so busy, it makes you crazy. How do we reply to Kat? We can say, "Oh dear," that means, "Oh, I feel sorry for you," you know. Bless you. You can say, yeah, same here, which means it's also busy at my workplace. So same here, it's always busy at my workplace. Or you can say, actually, I'm lucky because it's not so busy at my workplace at this time of the year, maybe. So, Shahi, have you got any plans for the weekend? Have you got anything planned that you're going to do? Have you got anything interesting planned for the weekend? Do tell, I would love to know. Well, I'm going to visit my family in another city. Oh, how nice! I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful time with your family. I think I will go to the gym and work out and do some swimming. You can say, I like to work out on the weekends too. And Americans say at the weekend, but British people say on the weekend. You can say, I love swimming, or I'm not much of a swimmer, which means I don't swim a lot. Keeping fit is a nice topic, you know, but don't be silly and start asking about body shape, because that's just disgusting. Okay, so all these are open questions. What does that mean? It means you can't reply yes and no to them. Like, do you like snow? Yes. Do you like snow? No. So you need to be creative with your answers. I don't always like snow. I've never seen snow. I don't know. You know, different things that you can express. So try to make your answers more creative. Also, food is a lovely topic. I think it's a very interesting topic, don't you think? Because we all eat food, right? Yes, definitely. Okay, then, Shahid, do tell us what kind of questions can we ask with regards to food and even how delicious food is. You can ask, what's your favorite dish? Do you like rice? Do you like bread? Or you can say, do you prefer rice or bread? Do you cook? Can you cook? Do you eat out? Which means, do you eat out at a restaurant? Or, you know, maybe they order take away, which means you buy the food and you take it away and you bring it back home or wherever you are. Do you like eating healthy? They may say, or you may say, I like to eat out all the time because I can't cook. Or maybe you can cook and you say, I never eat out. I like to cook my own food because I like the way it tastes. I ask, do you like seafood? Do you like sushi? Oh, I don't like seafood. I only like, you can say, if you like something particular, then you can say, oh, I like prawns, but everything else, I really don't like fish. I hate octopus, you know? And then you can say why. It doesn't taste nice. I hate the way it feels in my mouth. I don't like the smell of it. I once tasted something really beautiful when I went on holiday. When I tried to cook it, when I got home, it was a disaster. You can share your experiences related to any topic. Oh, wow! Those are a lot of interesting questions. So that's the end of the video, and if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will be posting some more interesting topics, and sooner than later. We don't say video, we say video. Anyway, I'm just joking. And Shahi is on Instagram, Shahi_English. So find her and look at those pronunciation videos. They are so interesting. Have a look at the link below. Thanks, Kat. Thanks for that and for helping out. And also say it's been a busy day, or it's been a busy week, or it's been a very busy week at work. Because sometimes at work it gets so busy, it makes you crazy. So I hope you've learned something in this video, and I wish you an absolutely wonderful day. And see you soon, and bye for now.